Disabling two-factor authentication can help simplify your login process, but it may also reduce your account's security. Follow these steps to turn off two-factor authentication on X. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the X website or open the app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon and name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable it. Click on this option to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, which may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your account. Remember to consider the security implications of this change.